Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to switch from Apple Maps to Google Maps. Start by confirming Google Maps is installed and logged into your Google account. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Maps for system behaviors or to an app that currently opens Apple Maps. Make sure location services and background app refresh are enabled for Google Maps so it can provide real-time routing. If you plan to change default navigation from within apps, prepare a sample address to test immediately after changing settings. Next, change how apps hand off directions. Some apps offer an in-app setting to choose Google Maps. Select it where available. Otherwise, when you tap a map link, look for the Open in option and pick Google Maps. Make that your habit to teach apps the preference. For broader control, create a simple shortcut that captures map URLs and redirects them to Google Maps. Enable it for web and app links. These steps give you consistent behavior across sites and apps. Finish by testing. Tap an address in Mail, Safari, and a third-party app to confirm Google Maps opens. If Apple Maps still appears, reinstall Google Maps, relog in, and repeat the shortcut or in-app default steps. Sometimes iOS caches choices. Make sure Google Maps has location permissions set to while using or always as you need. Troubleshooting tip. If links still misroute, reset location and privacy in Settings General Transfer, or reset iPhone to clear stubborn defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.